Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab. This is a collab that we do on the third Sunday of each month, and we have a theme. It is hosted by Metal Scrappin Chick and Crafty Crabb. Hello ladies. So this month our theme was harvest, and so I made 3 cards for you today, and they're all using this Harvest Hellos, which is in the annual Stampin' Up catalog. It's a carryover from last year. But it's got pumpkins and apples and things, and then also the apple builder punch, which you can also use for the pumpkin. So I did 3 cards, like I said. The other things I used were Stampin' Up's Heartwarming Hugs designer series paper, because there's a lot of cute patterns in it, and red for apples and green also. And on the third card, I used some of the In Good Taste designer series paper, and I used this one. And then I also used Real Red and Pumpkin Pie cardstock. And on the first one, I used this Mossy Meadow ribbon, which is out of the August to December mini catalog also. It's called Diagonal Stripe Ribbon. I believe it's in the same area as the Heartwarming Hugs designer series paper. It's sort of towards the front of that catalog. This is Real Red, and I use this on the second card. It's sheer ribbon, 3/8 inch, and it's on page 9 of the August to December mini catalog. So let me show you what I did. Here's the first one. Again, I used Real Red for the card base. This is part of the Heartwarming Hugs designer series paper. This is just a piece of Whisper White. I stamped the little swirlies. I punched, using the designer paper, 2 of the apples. You can see it's double-sided on the back there. This is out of a different piece that I used, I think, on the second one. I don't remember. No, on the third one. And then this is just stamped the outline of the apple. And then I stamped You Make Me Smile in Mossy Meadow. And here I stamped the little apple seeds. And I did them in Mossy Meadow and made them like a ground covering, like seeds falling all over. Oh, and I forgot one other thing that I used. And that is the Wonderful Gems, which are red and clear with a hint of gold in them. They're in the mini catalog as well, August to December. And then inside on this one, I did the seeds going down the side. So the next one, now because around here, right about now, apples are the thing that's coming in, mostly. And then this is the next one. It's actually, this is the back of this paper. It's like a red, Real Red, and might be Mossy Meadow and Pear Pizzazz plaid. Here's the Real Red sheer ribbon. Same design, except I put leaves in the corners. And these, again, this goes up like this. And I made it to be to an A+ teacher this time instead. So I don't have any children in school, but I thought maybe my daughter could use that for her youngest or something. And on the inside of that one, I just put a strip of that plaid paper. And then one more, I went a little different direction. I actually already had this pumpkin pie color card base. So I stamped pumpkin pie on pumpkin pie, and then I ran this through this little mini embossing folder. This one here, it's called Wrapped in Texture embossing folder, and it gave it sort of dots all over. And then this is out of the Wrapped in Heartwarming Hugs designer series paper. This is the Mossy Meadow ribbon, and I stamped Hey There Pumpkin in Mossy Meadow, and I just cut out a pumpkin pie square, rectangle, excuse me. And then down here I just stamped leaves at the bottom, and this opens like this. There's nothing else on the inside, but that way it looks pretty. both ways. So I thought, and this actually is still open. It's just glued on either end. So you could put a little something in there, but I don't think so. And then these are out of the holiday rhinestones, which are in the annual catalog. They are in the color pumpkin pie. So those are my 3 cards for the monthly card collab this time. We don't really have a quota. You can just make one, but I wanted to use this set. I've been having it on my desk now for a while and wanting to get to it. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed that. Please go check out the other participants in the collab. And I hope we continue this into next year. I like this collab. So, yep. Anyway, that's up to Kim and Katie. And I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Take care.